Welcome to the Office of Career Services step-by-step guide on how to upload your resume to Handshake. This tutorial will ensure your resume is uploaded correctly, allowing you to connect with employers efficiently. Prior to uploading in Handshake, we recommend you have your resume reviewed. Email resumereview@sclu.edu or schedule an appointment with one of our career consultants. Our team provides suggestions and feedback for fine-tuning your resume to stand out to employers. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Handshake website and log in using your SCLU email and password. If you haven't set up an account yet, follow our instructional video to register. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Documents. On the Documents page, click Upload New Document. A pop-up will appear prompting you to upload your file. Select your resume from your computer. Make sure your resume is saved as a PDF or Word document to ensure proper formatting. After selecting the file, give it a clear and professional name such as first name, last name, resume. Click Save to complete the process. Once uploaded, your resume will appear in your list of documents. Now, your resume is ready to be used when applying for jobs or internships through Handshake. Always make sure to update your resume as you gain new experiences and skills. If you need additional assistance, the Office of Career Services is here to help. Do not hesitate to visit our website or schedule an appointment with a career and job search consultant. Line up.